Hello, CCBC librarian here with instructions on how to find and use ebooks at CCBC. I'm looking for a general introduction on my topic. I can find ebooks through Smart Search, but the place to search is by clicking on the Books and eBooks box here. Now we can search for both books and ebooks in the main search box, but since I know I only want ebooks and I don't plan on coming to campus, I can click on the ebooks link. The next step is to type in your keywords. Today I'm looking for books about censorship. Here we see our list of results and we can see that they are all ebooks. I'm interested in this book called Film Censorship Regulating America's Screen. After clicking on the title where I can see some more information about the book, I'll click on the View This eBook link. When off campus, you'll be prompted to sign in using your CCBC email and password. If I scroll down a bit, I can see the table of contents. But to view the book, I'll click on the PDF link. The great thing about ebooks is that you can search within the contents. If you click on the Search Within button, you can then type in what you're looking for. I'm looking for information on ratings. By clicking on Relevancy, it will then show me all the pages where the word ratings is found. I can then use that to find the parts that are most interesting to me and talk about the concept of ratings. I can also cite, email, or download the ebook here. As always, if you have any questions, please ask a librarian in person, on the phone, or through email.